Well, Becky and I have come to our favourite picnic spot.
And Monty.
Oh, and Monty, of course. Mustn't forget little monster. And unfortunately, somebody let the cows out.
Yeah.
What do you reckon, Bex?
I think we're just going to have to watch them, because the last time we had an intervention with the coos, it didn't end well. And we've got the same situation again, haven't we? We've got a picnic. And it's always when we've got food.
I forgot about that. Yeah, we haven't got the barbecue today.
Oh, that's true, yeah. So maybe the cooking smell won't attract them.
I was cooking beef burgers, and all of a sudden all these cows descended upon us.
Yeah, we should have filmed it. That would have been so funny.
That would have been epic. Anyway,
we're
actually filming today, so if anything epic happens, we'll let you know.
Yeah. Anyway, we're going to get our picnic set up, get some food on the go, because we're all rather hungry.
Yes.
Yeah.
Monty is, look, he's licking his chops.
Got some chicken. Chicken. Yeah, not cow today.
No, maybe they won't mind so much.
Look, they're all going over there more. Some of the calves are really cute.
Let's risk it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Otherwise, if not, we'll have to move.
Oh no, they are. They're moving over. Look, they're calling all the calves. And they're moving over that way now. Look, some of them are so cute.
Alright, let's risk it.
They are proper moving over to the other side of the field. They're super cute. But yeah, the cows are allowed to graze here, I think, for the last 100 years.
Really?
The farmers have rights on the land to let the cows roam during the spring and summer. Yeah, it's lovely. But you do have to be super careful, because there have been known to have been people trampled to death up here.
Really?
Someone just in last winter, a woman was trampled to death, wasn't she?
Well, we won't go far from the van.
No. And also just stay away from the calves, because that's what happens. People just get too close, and that's not a good idea.
We'll keep Monty on the lead.
So yeah, Monty's going to be on the lead. Okie doke, let's get food. Got this, so hopefully this will work for Monster. Ooh. The clever thing about using these straps that we've got, these are from Homebase, stretchy, but we just put two together. Hook one on the door latch, hook one on Monster on his harness. It doesn't work. Got another carabiner on his harness. Whoop. And then you just hook that together like so. And you've got your dog safely tethered to the van, and he's not going to get disturbed by the cows, and hopefully the cows will have sense to stay away from the van. But it also has been known, because we stayed the other night here, didn't we? And they came up and surrounded the van, and they have a habit of rubbing themselves up against the van. Oh gosh, look, quick. Look at them running. Look, they're going as well. Oh, I could never see the cow run so fast.
You sure it's right to have a picnic? Are you sure it's right to have a picnic? They're a bit feisty.
I hope so. Fingers crossed they don't smell the chicken. We did have burgers last time, so maybe they won't object so much to the chicken.
I think we should stay close to the van.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Yeah, definitely.
Did you pick up the picnic blanket?
Yes.
Okay.
I'll go get it.
Yeah.
Well, I just spilt coffee all down myself. Luckily the camera wasn't rolling, so I've had to change my top. Right, let's get that picnic blanket. Oh, it's like an umbrella.
Yeah, that might be quite nice. I don't know how it
attracts the...
I don't think it'll attract them. It might scare them actually, because they don't like big black things.
This one or the...
That one's fine. Yeah.
A brand new trolley.
I think we should try it out anyway. Yeah. Off we go, sir.
I like to travel light, as you can tell.
Yeah. Oh, we've you've got water as well. Brilliant. Fizzy water.
Yeah, we've got fizzy water.
Oh, yeah. Mel always forgets his keys and leaves them in the back of the door. So if you are said person, just like Mel that does this, give us a thumbs up.
So nice. Just walk across the road, don't they? Look.
Yeah, they'll just walk. They'll literally just walk. See that brown, that black one there is waiting for that one.
Yeah. Yeah, the locals don't look very friendly, so we're going to abort this picnic mission.
Yeah, I don't really feel like living on the edge when we've got
just yet.
Such big animals around us.
No. So let's put this away.
Yeah, let's go.
And we'll go and find somewhere else to enjoy our snacks and beverages.
Oh, no! No.
Let's go. Very peculiar. No sooner did we pack everything away than all the bulls and cows and calves decided to go over that side of the road. They just suddenly started running over there for some strange, bizarre reason. Now, all this is mine and Becky's. Isn't that right, dear?
Yeah, so hopefully we can have a little bit of a picnic without too much trouble.
Yeah. It's strange, isn't it?
Yeah.
They've all just gone over that side of the road to play with the golfers.
Yeah.
So there must be golfing fans, unlike myself. So should we try again?
Yeah, I think we should. Let's try not to lose the...
Becky literally just threw everything in the fan in a panic.
Yeah, I don't like it when they come too close. I really don't. I get freaked out by it. Come on, monster. Wanna come lie down? It's a little bit windy.
It's better. Got the sun.
Where did you put the bottle of wine?
In the bag.
Oh, right, okay. Just going to say I don't want that rolling around because it might smash if we forget about it. Oh, could you grab some bowls?
Sure.
Ooh, cups. Lovely. Lovely.
Condiments.
Oh, you have thought of everything.
We'll try it. 2 bowls.
Thank you.
That way, Monty. Yours next.
What's this?
This is your one.
Thank you, Daddy.
The question is this a cork?
Oh, I don't know. That is a good question.
Yep.
You've got the thing in the drawer.
Oh yeah, my emergency one.
Yeah.
It worked.
Did it?
Yeah.
Oh, well done.
This is my emergency corkscrew. It fits on a key ring. It's really ingenious. I think Monty's hungry.
Or water.
Oh, water.
Water?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Dogs don't like wine. I'll get some water.
Oh, thank you, babe.
Well, this is what I was showing people. So this is a little tiny corkscrew. It goes in like that. Hang on, Monty.
Time waits for no dog.
There you go. They are. One emergency corkscrew. Thank goodness I got that.
Top job now. Oh, lovely. Wonder if I throw the avocado stone up here, will they'll grow an avocado tree? Oh, I think this is awesome for an impromptu picnic.
Yeah.
We've edited this morning.
We've worked really hard, haven't we?
Yeah, well, I like combining things like this because it still makes use of, well, not makes use of, the weather's beautiful. Who wants to be stuck inside all day? But by having that break, it just helps. I really like it.
It's not bad, is it? It's not too shabby.
This is a work day.
Yeah.
Like high five to a work day. This is how we can structure our days.
Yep. Have that to begin with. Have that to start with. There's your pair of teeth.
He hasn't got a pair of teeth anymore.
Oh no, poor little buggers. They're 18 now. Sorry. Teeth are a bit of a sore subject, aren't they? I have to say, it's an absolutely beautiful day. I feel really blessed that we can enjoy this lovely day here in the Cotswolds. It's just amazing. This is what we really love about van life, the freedom to do these impromptu things, like have a picnic outside amongst nature.
Yeah.
Wasn't quite planning on sharing our picnic with the cows though. Oh well, I'm glad I brought my camera along so we could share this moment with you guys. So thanks for watching. I do hope you enjoyed this little video. We'll see you again very soon. Ta-ra for now.
Bye.
We're going to go cheers.
Cheers, baby. That's quite strong. That's a Spanish wine when I was looking at the